Meaning of deflationary.
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 Deflationary. Deflationary refers to a situation where the overall level of prices in an economy is decreasing. This can occur due to various factors, such as a decrease in demand for goods and services or an increase in the supply of money. The result of deflationary conditions can be negative for businesses and individuals, as it can lead to lower profits, reduced wages, and increased unemployment. Meanwhile, those who hold debt may benefit from deflation as the real value of their debts decreases over time. Overall, deflationary conditions can have significant impacts on the economy and individuals within it.